We're not here because we're the fastest runners or we know everything there is to know about speed. We're here because we are obsessed with the topic. We've dedicated our lives to discovering how to become faster. And you're here because you want results. This is our journey about exactly that. Welcome to Speed Movement. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to Speed Movement. We are a collection of like-minded athletes looking to get faster. We are constantly trying to improve our speed through talking about nutrition, techniques, drills, skills, all of these things put together. So welcome. If this is your first time joining us, my name is Don. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna talk about a workout that you guys might already be, some of you guys might already be familiar with. Anybody who's the first time busting this one, this is another kitchen cook-up called grits. All right, this one nasty. Sorry, all my southern folks who love them grits. Maybe not so nasty. You guys might love this workout, but me, I don't like them grits. But anyways, it's so good for you, so you got to do it. All right, check it out. This is how it goes down. First thing you're gonna need is a timer. A Tabata timer specifically would be best. All right, you can always download an app if you got Apple Play Store, whatever you got, man. Just download the app. It's free, it's easy, and it helps you keep track of the time. Use that Tabata timer. Second you need is dumbbells. I'm using 25 pounds. Like you guys seen in the other videos, I'm sticking with it. I'm in a strength phase right now, so 25 pounds is heavy for me for most of these exercises. That's what I'm doing, working on my strength. All right, quiet down. If that's not heavy for you, don't, you know what? Just do you, okay? That's heavy for me right now, so that's what I'm doing. All right, if you guys are just beginning, I recommend going with either a 5 or a 10, maybe 15, maybe, just work at your own pace. Do what's good for you. All right, and the third thing you're gonna need is probably a bench. I recommend a bench just because it's gonna help you get your hips high. If you guys have already took a sneak peek of what's going on, we got some single leg hip thrusters. Nasty. All right, so check this out. The way the workout goes down, first thing we're gonna bust is them. You guys gotta know this first, all right? You got 6 rounds. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. As you guys know, that's the Tabata style workouts, right? Usually for that, you're doing 8 sets, right? If you're doing squats or something, you do 8 sets or whatever. But I'm not gonna make you do 8 sets because you're doing 6 rounds per side, okay? Okay? So really, you're doing 12 total. So when you thought I was doing you a favor by saying, Tabata is typically 8, I ain't doing you a favor, all right? That's the workout. That's why it's called grits, all right? 6 rounds of 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, single leg lunges. Single leg lunges, you guys know what that's all about. Get them hips low as you can, extend through the hip flexors, right? And then drive through. You don't want to push your chest forward. You want to stay up tall as much as you can. I know it hurts, I know it burns, but do it. Use your glutes, fire them, and get you, you know it, get it up, all right? So check it out. After that, we're going to single leg hip thrusters. Now that's gonna be on your back. Your heel is gonna be up on the bench and you're gonna drive them hips up and through. We're doing 20 seconds. The way that the Tabata works, you already know, is it's your lowest score that you count in whatever round you got that lowest score, all right? So keep your numbers up and stay up, all right? The next exercise after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna scale back the rounds to 4 rounds, but now you're gonna be putting your feet up on the bench if you can. If you can't, don't do it, okay? But if you can, get them feet up on the bench and get in the plank position and then bust them push-ups, all right? Now, we're not having to use the Tabata timer for this. What we're gonna do instead is just go for a number. That way nobody's kinking their neck or nothing, trying to watch no timer or nothing. So we're just going for 15. Again, if you can't do 15, bust 10. If you can't do 10, bust 5, all right? Do what's good for you. And for all my dogs out there who are up above that 15 number, just stay quiet, be humble, All right, just settle down, settle, all right? No big deal, all right? Check it out. After that, you're going straight into fire hydrants. Now, a lot of people are neglecting this exercise. I don't know why. This is huge for hip mobility. Hip mobility is massive for speed. So what are you doing forgetting about this exercise? This exercise is one of the biggest, best exercises to allow your hips to move the way they need to move when you're getting faster, all right? So this, believe it or not, is a key part of this workout, right? 4 rounds you got. Now, after that, to finish it off, we got 2 rounds of 40 weighted shoulder 40 weighted shoulder pumps, all right? That's with a dumbbell, all right? Dumbbell weighted shoulder pumps, you got 40 of those. You already know what's up. After that, you got 60 high knees. Now, as you guys seen, in a lot of my workouts, I got my weight vest on, right? Now again, that's because I'm trying to train for strength. That don't mean you have to use a weight vest. You can use the same numbers, or you can bump up the numbers if you're not using a weight vest and you feel like you got more in you. All right, this is just a premise. All right, this is a premise of what's prescribed, what I know is best for you to get you faster and stronger than you were yesterday. All right, so keep that in mind. After you finish this, as you all know, every single day we work out, we don't forget to bust our core, and we also stretch down and we use a rollout. Do not forget that that is part of the cool down routine, okay? You guys know how important that is. Because why? It is not about tearing the muscles that is gonna get you faster. It's about what? The recovery. That's right. So make sure you get your rollout, get your stretch, get your water, get your nutrition. Anybody who has not seen all them videos where I'm talking about them types of things, guys, the time is now, all right? Well, maybe not now. Maybe you should do the workout first and then go at it, all right? But anyways, you guys know what's up. Glad you're ready. Here we go. Welcome to Speed Movement.
Lavito on the beat.